प्यारे बच्चों, आपको लेसन 3 के ड्रेनेज नामक लेसन के क्वेश्चन कराया है। क्वेश्चन आंसर लिख कर भेज रहे हैं फ़ोटो कॉपी करके, और ये लिख करके याद करें। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाई द ड्रेनेज पैटर्न। ये आपका शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन, वेरी शॉर्ट तो हमने करा दिए हैं, शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन ये है। पहला है ड्रेनेज पैटर्न सिस्टम। द स्ट्रीम फॉर्म ए डिफिनिट ड्रेनेज पैटर्न विच इज डिटरमाइंड बाई द स्लोप ऑफ द लैंड and climatic condition and the rock formation underneath. The drainage pattern is divided into 4 categories. First है dendritic pattern, second है the mesh drainage pattern, थर्ड है the rectangular drainage pattern, फोर्थ है the residual drainage pattern. Second, mention the name of the river system of the Himalayan rivers and the name of their tributaries. Himalayan river system, most of the Himalayan rivers are perennial. Apart from the rain, they receive water from the melting snow on the high peaks or the snowfall. The two prominent rivers, the Indus and the Brahmaputra, flow from the northern part of the mountain range. They have cut through the mountains and thus form gorges among them. The Himalayan rivers cover a long route from their source to sea. The Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra main rivers originated in the Himalayas with its tributaries. गंगा की ट्रिब्यूटरीज आपकी यमुना, सोन की सतलज की, आपकी सिंधु की, आपकी ब्यास, रावी, चिनाब, झेलम ये हैं, और ब्रह्मपुत्र की और भी छोटी छोटी हैं नदियां हैं जिन्हें हम जमुना और दिहांग आदि के नाम से जानते हैं। बाकी आप बुक से भी पढ़ सकते हैं। अब इसके बाद में एक्सप्लेन द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द गंगा बेसिन। गंगा बेसिन में द गंगा इज द foremost river of the India on account of its water system and cultural work. This river arises from the Gomukh glacier of Uttarkashi district in Uttarakhand. The Ganga is 2,500 km in length. It is joined by some prominent rivers as the Yamuna, the Gangotri, the Ghagra, the Kosi and Gandak. All these tributaries flow from the Himalayan range. Explain the importance of lake. Importance of lake. Lakes are very valuable for human life. They facilitate the flow of river. They are useful for us in time of excess rain or drought. While in time of excess rain they control floods. In time of drought they maintain the flow of water. Hydroelectricity is also generated on the lake. They maintain the aquatic ecosystem as well as they moderate the climatic surroundings. The lakes enhance the natural beauty and thereby promote tourism. Long answer में, why are the rivers important for the economy of a country? Rivers are important for the country. कहते हैं rivers not only provide water, they bring with themselves fertile soil minerals, fresh water, cheap and fast navigation, the form of the alternative resources. So due to this multi-utility of the rivers, every society and civilization has depend on them. The contribution of the rivers in the progress of the human civilization is seen as economic, contribution. These are as following: agriculture that provide man food and nutrition is not possible without water or river. The fertile land for agriculture is valuable only due to rivers. Rivers are natural routes. Man uses them for the purpose of navigation. Supply of water, cheap navigation, and the sand soil required for the various industry are provided by the river. Cheap hydropower can be generated by building dam on the rivers only. Thank you.